In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Klarna in Squarespace. So I got an email, maybe you did, that you were automatically opted in to Klarna if you're using Stripe or Squarespace payments on your Squarespace e-commerce, but I don't want Klarna. So I'm going to show you how to turn it off if you are in the same boat. This is the email that I got letting me know that Klarna was going to be automatically enabled on my Squarespace website. So if you got a similar email and you're interested in turning off Klarna, that's what I'm going to show you how to do on your Squarespace website. All right, I'm here in my Squarespace website. I have a shop where I'm selling some merch through my Squarespace website. These are the only transactions that I have that go through Squarespace, and you can see they're all like $20, $30. There's no need for Klarna here. If you're not familiar with Klarna, it is basically a solution that lets people have a payment plan for something. But I don't think that's needed here, nor do I want to offer it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. So if you'd like to turn off Klarna on your website, here is how you do it. Okay, let's go to our home dashboard in Squarespace. We're going to go to the bottom here, settings. It's currently a cog icon. Squarespace, just today I saw this. So they're changing these menus all the time. Let's go ahead and hit settings. And from the settings panel, we're going to click into selling, and then we're going to go into payments. Now, if your menu looks different than mine, what you can do is hit the / key on your keyboard and go into payments here. Once you're inside payments, you can see I have Stripe connected here. You're going to click on Stripe or Squarespace payments if that's what's connected. Click there, and you can see there are toggles here for options that you're allowing customers to use. So Afterpay is an option that's toggled off. I'm currently allowing Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link by Stripe. Klarna was automatically toggled on for me, so I'm going to toggle that off and then hit save. That's all you have to do. That propagates across your entire website. So if you have more than one shop, this is the selling settings for your entire website. So quick and easy to turn that off if you don't want that on your website. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, drop a comment below, or subscribe to the channel because all of that helps other people discover my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.